Hi, my name is Christian. I am the founder and software architect behind Merrymake, and I'd like to show you my favorite part of the platform. First, we need a service to work with, so let me show you how fast we can have a service running in production. As you can see, Merrymake works with all the most popular programming languages, and while it's setting up, I can tell you that you could try out Merrymake for free with no time limit. Let me just save this key for later and go into this folder and deploy the service. As you can see, the platform automatically takes care of all our CI/CD needs for a young project. It builds, packages, and deploys the service before performing a smoke test and then finally releasing the software. Here we go. And now we can call the service. From nothing to production in less than a minute. This is fast time to market. This is agile. The service is turned off when it's not in use, so we don't waste any money. When demand rises, Merrymake automatically starts copies to handle it. And if we time a request, we can see that it still responds in less than half a second. This lightning fast response time is due to Merrymake's zero cold start. And as we know from experiments by Google and Amazon, when dealing with consumers, faster response time means higher profits. But my favorite feature is flexibility. We know the services tend to grow over time, so sometimes we have to split them up. This is normally very difficult since multiple teams need to accommodate such a change. But in Merrymake, it's both easy and safe. To demonstrate this, I'm going to start the local simulator that we normally use for debugging and testing, and I'm also going to start a script to call our service every 2 seconds. Let's say this service has an A part and a B part. So, an A part and a B part. And we want to split those up into 2 separate services. Step 1 is to split them up internally. So, we copy the function A and B and remove the code that we don't need. There we go. We also need to add actions. And when we add actions, we also need to add hooks. So again, A and B. Notice the yellow lines help us from avoid making a mistake here. And we can see over on the left that the order can start to change of these messages. Step 2 is to duplicate the service. So first we create a new empty service there, and then we copy the content of this service and paste it. We now see that both services are handling the message. The final step is to go in and remove the B hook from A and the A hook from B. And we can also clean up the corresponding code in each service. Now, the B service runs the B code and the original service runs the A code. This platform makes your code flexible. This makes your code agile. And this is my favorite feature of Merrymake. Thank you for your time.